unpack my Nexa card. We just happened to buy a new Nexa card. We bought it from Pathankot and they delivered us this card. So let's do it. The packing is quite decent, you can see. And they have given a tape. It's just like the seal. I'll bring a cutter. Just wait till the time. I'm here back with the cutter and you can see it's quite sharp. So I'm opening this. Oh, my chest. Cut this part over here. I think you can see it. No, not at all. Okay, we can open it without the cutter too. I'm opening it. By the way, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. And please leave a like below. I'll open this. And okay, there's one more packet inside it. It's written over here, my Nexa. This is good. Looks good. And I'm opening it right now. Yeah, here's the card. And this just looks like your ATM credit or debit card or Visa card. And I'm opening this card right now. Yeah, open this card. This is just like that card. We can get credit scores on repairs or some service when we go to our authorized Maruti dealers. The point are credited in it, and then we can get free service or anything just like that. Okay, this is the card. Here's my name written. Here's my father's name. Here's the card number, and here's written my Nexa. Okay, they have given a booklet too inside. This is the booklet. Okay, on the first page it is written a word of privilege. That's nice. The book is also made of same material. Now let's turn to the next page. Okay, now they have given the photo of S-Cross and written the road to privileges. Okay, this is also good. I like it. And again, these pages are stuck. And here it is written how to earn your Nexa points. My Nexa point. Yeah, it's written reward points. 7 points on every 150 spent at Nexa network. Exchange point 8,000 points on exchange between cards sold in Nexa. Referral points 1,400 points on card purchase at Nexa by someone you referred. Joining points 200 points at the time of joining my Nexa. Redeeming my Nexa point. They have written whole of the instructions over here. It's giving a mirror effect over there, so you can't read it right now, but when you buy a Nexa car you can, of course. Exclusive privileges for an exclusive view. Okay, that's good. And there they have, I think, given their history. No, they have given all the photos and all, terms and condition and all. Nobody is going to read this terms and condition, in fact. And this is good. And they have given some coupons too. Yeah, let's see what coupons are there. Okay, they have given a my Nexa member copy. Okay, not one, many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. That's nice. We can write. Okay, if someone is referring you, then. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please leave a comment and a like below and subscribe that red button for some fun. Okay, bye.